Where are you? Oo nga, nagtago na siya. 17,000 na. Paabutin ba natin 20? 20,000. Ito na yung mga laruan ni Jilana. Punong-puno. Oo. Is that your doggy? 30K, Mom Char. Char. Parang 20. Sana all. Ayun, pag mag 400 na ganyan yung manonood, umaaabot tayo. Kung continuous na 400. Kung ganyan mataas lagi. Oh, your dog is sleepy?
No.
Ayan, naka-18 na tayo. Kung ganyan siya. Nanite. Uy, sana nga. Go in the kitchen, anak. Hello, Des. Kumusta? Oh, yeah. Pag 500 yan, madali na yan. Ayan, 500. Wow! O, sana nga 500 yan. Oh, bumaba. What happened? Oh. Where's your bike? Oh, Are you gonna cook for your doggy? Your doggy is hungry.
Here, did you do this joke, okay?
After I'm done reading. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Let's wait a bit.
Are you doing biking na? Oh, wow! Wow! Oh! You got, yeah, naka 19,000 na tayo. Wow! 20,000 na. Oh, baka kaya natin 30,000, no, Chay? Oh, hey! Go in the kitchen if you want privacy. Whoa. Whoa. I know. Ayan, 20,000 tayo, guys. Ayan. Kung 500. Okay, one more. Kung katulad kanina, sana 500. Kaya abot ng 1,000, no? 1,000 sana nanonood. Char. Charot talaga si Jilana eh. Thank you. Yan, 21,000 na siya. Oh. Oh! You did good job on that one. Try it again. That's a nice horse. I like that. Oh, Ate Dong's home.
You're so purple.
It's so...
Saan tayo pupunta?
Laro. You wanna go to the garage now so you didn't play your toy in the garage anymore? So you're good here? You wanna play in the garage? I can play with you there. Where you going? Why you bring your horse? Oh. Okay. Nakasara. Why, what's going on with you and Jade?
No, she's trying to touch my phone.
Why she's trying to touch? When did she learn touching that?
No, I was gonna have her delete this kid, but I didn't do it.
What kid? Delete what?
Oh, one of Jolene's friends added my number to the group or something like that.